Hey guys, welcome back to AC Biker, and today I am here with 2020's Yamaha WR450F. So if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please do subscribe to this channel and make sure to hit the bell icon. So let's get into the video. The 2020 Yamaha WR450F is finally here and is starting at $9,699. Ready to take an event like National Enduro or just simply want to hit trail with your friend? The 2020 Yamaha WR450F is full-size enduro bike with a 450cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine with a specific fuel injection map optimized for enduro racing and tighter trail riding. The bilateral beam aluminum frame is built of Yamaha flagship motocrosser, the YZ450F, but is endured with the features that further gives an enduro twist. This include the composite engine guard, 18-inch rear wheels, 2.2-gallon fuel tank, radiated fan, sealed O-ring chain, fuel level and the engine warning lights, steel rear pockets and a high-mounted folding aluminum kickstand. So let's give a look on 2020 Yamaha WR450F reviews, comparison and the competition. We reviewed the 2019 WR450F and we found that it was a remarkable improvement from the pure generation model with its chassis, engine and the suspension updates. Competition include the KTM 500 XCFW, Honda CRF 450X and even cross-country grade motorcycle like the KTM 450 XCF or Honda CRF 450 RX. So let's talk about some updates in Yamaha WR450F for the 2020s. In 2019, the WR450F saw suspension updates, an all-new engine and a reworked chassis. With those recent improvements, not many updates were needed for the 2020 aside from the revised headlights fairing and the new graphics. So let's give a look on all the specification of the Yamaha WR450F. Let's take a look on all the specification of this motorcycle. So price is at $9,699. Engine is liquid cooled, double overhead crankcraft 4-stroke. Displacement is 450cc. Transmission is 5-speed. Final drive with chain. Seat height is 37.6 in. Rack is 27.2 degree. Trail is 4.6 in. Front suspension is inverted fork, fully adjustable 12.2-inch travel. Rear suspension is fully adjustable 12.5C in travel. Front tire is wheelbase is 58.3 in. Fuel capacity is 2.2 gal. This is all the specification of Yamaha WR450F. So that's it for this bike. Hope this video is informative. So what's your view on this bike? Let me know in the comment section. If you have any question regarding this, please comment. So if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please do subscribe to this channel and make sure to hit the bell icon.